This bike delivers unmatched comfort, performance and driving dynamics, making for a satisfying daily commute and long-distance ride. The NT1100 debuts in 2022, and is a new breed of Honda tourer, delivering agile handling and exhilarating performance without sacrificing comfort for either rider or passenger. Honda's popular NT1100 touring motorcycle is the machine of choice for adventure, and the NT1100 is among the best, with Honda's 1100cc parallel twin engine, the same one that powers the world-conquering Africa Twin. The NT1100 is ergonomically designed with rider comfort in mind. The low seat offers good lumbar support and is wide enough at the rear to comfortably support and distribute the rider's weight. The seat height is low, just over 32 inches, and the steering geometry is sharp for easy cornering. All of this combines with a top-of-the-line suspension system to create a package that's both sporty and fast touring. The 5.3-gallon fuel tank offers a range of nearly 250 miles. This engine choice is apt as it has proven to be quite a versatile powertrain. A wide, 5-way adjustable windscreen helps protect the rider and passenger from the elements. The bike's versatility is further enhanced by its luggage options, ideal for those who crave longer trips. Best Mid-Range Touring Motorcycles of 2024. Mid-range touring motorcycles create the perfect blend of sportier riding and independence with style. This bike demonstrates Honda's commitment to rider and passenger comfort, which is essential in motorcycle touring, so long rides remain enjoyable. The Honda NT1100 is equipped with a radially mounted 4-piston front brake caliper for exceptional stopping power and feedback.